This is mold that was caused from the air conditioning unit in my truck that leaked and spilled out all over the carpeting. And so mold is growing. I'm going to take spray away cleaner and stain remover in the handy cup holder size because it's in my car, and I'm going to spray the mold to kill it. It's a little thick. Now I'm going to leave this to dry after I finish spraying it. The great thing about this is that it's an adjustable nozzle and you can spray it how thick you want. I'm going to spray this whole thing. My beautiful carpeting. Yep. Now I'm going to leave that to dry.